Hi, I'm Ryan Cash with Legend Brands and RoofTec Systems. I'm here in Orlando, Florida, and excited about introducing some new products to the residential cleaning market. I understand a lot of you may not be familiar with Legend Brands, so I first wanted to give you a quick overview of who we are and who I am. Legend has been making professional cleaning equipment for over 40 years and commercial roof cleaning equipment for almost a decade. We focus not just on simple cleaning, but also on true restoration. With RoofTec Systems, we've cleaned and prepped commercial roofs all across the country and the world, most notably Ford Field in Detroit, Quicken Loan Arena in Cleveland, and many other large commercial buildings and airports. Personally, I've been cleaning residential roofs and siding in both Washington State and Texas for over 10 years. I've led cleaning teams and taught a lot of techs the ins and outs of the industry. I've cleaned thousands of homes, and about 4 years ago, I joined Legend Brands to help expand our commercial cleaning line of equipment. But now together we've decided to also bring our expertise to residential roof cleaning and building cleaning. We've pulled together a team of engineers, chemists, and cleaning professionals already in the industry to help make a system that is both easy to use and yields great results. We're launching both an all-in-one exterior cleaning system and a full line of chemicals to help you get your jobs done fast. And now in the following videos, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the system and how it can help you grow your business. If you're interested in the XCS 500 or other RoofTec system products, contact me directly at info@rooftecsystems.net.